Yebo Saubona to all sporty lovers and the dedicated pundit of the beautiful game, and thank you for joining us from wherever you are. This is Smart Brain and I have a good news to share with you on this beautiful Friday, so sit back, relax and enjoy. But before we deep dive into our details, I would like to say is Mamelodi Sundowns gear up for the upcoming season of 2025-2026 with different competitions like the Betway Premiership, Nedbank Cup, Africa Football League, and the prestigious Club FIFA World Cup are now being heavy with the move of a talented winger and midfielder known as Shepang Moremi, as they believe his talent and quality will add something to their already formidable squad currently under the managerial guidance of Miguel Cardoso. Shepang Moremi, who has been succeeded to contribute 10 goals this season for Amazulu FC. He has been heavy with a move to both Orlando Pirates and the Sundowns, but the Sundowns are given high priority to sign him starting from June 2025-2026. So it is only the matter of time to see if the deal will materialize. We expect Shepang Moremi will wear the unique yellows and blues of the Masanda Wana starting from June 2025-2026, and we know Mamelodi Sundowns are billionaires. If they want to sign any player in South Africa, it is easy for them compared to any other team. I mean, all of the PSL giants like Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, also Stellenbosch FC, they cannot compare money they have to Mamelodi Sundowns family. So it is only the matter of time as fans and the pundits are likely await for the official confirmation. We'll see each and everything. If Shepang Moremi will allow him, will agree with terms of Mamelodi Sundowns, we expect him to wear the unique yellows and the blues.